This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie Liebler. The hidden gem, secluded 0.70 acre, deep water lot on cul-de-sac, just 4 blocks from the ocean. The best of both worlds. 1-story brick ranch with unique open floor plan. 3,200 square feet of living space plus 2-car garage. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 3 fireplaces. Sunroom, living room and dining room. Large pool, tiki bar, grilling area, boat dock, concrete boat ramp with kayak dock, outdoor shower, outdoor lighting systems. Large kitchen with fireplace, wet bar, Viking gas cooktop, and updated appliances. Great for entertaining or just relaxing. You can do it all here. For more information, review the details below.